Welcome to the channel. Today, guys, I'm doing Glorious Day. One of my favorite songs. It came out a couple years ago. Let's see, when did it come out? It came out a while ago. Glorious Day with easy chords for guitar. I don't see the date on this. It wasn't super long ago. I love this song. If you want to support the channel, you can always go buy a songbook, join the membership area, or just become a ministry partner. All the links are in the description, and that is the little songbook right there that we just released, that we're releasing right now. Check it out. It's on Amazon, and buy the songbook, support that, and then go leave a review for it. Let's do this song. It's going to be very simple. I'm going to try to keep it simple, strummed down, and if I see any wrong chords on the screen, I'm going to fix them as I go right now. It goes like this. I was buried beneath my shame. Now I'm just doing 8 notes down on this, okay? Who could carry that kind of weight? It was my tomb till I met you. Okay, I was breathing but not alive. It's all down. 1, 2, 3. All my failures I tried to hide. 2, 4, 1. It was my tomb till I met you. You called my name and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. You called my name and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm kind of accenting on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and so a little bit to it. So I'm trying to keep it really simple for you guys who are new to the channel, new to the songbook, but you can accent on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, all downs, and accent on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay? Now your mercy has saved my soul. And now your freedom is all that I know. The old made new. Jesus, when I met you, you called my name and I ran out of that grave. Okay, now I think basically what we have here is we need 4 more beats in here. Your mercy has saved my soul. So we need to add, I'm gonna add in, oops, I'm gonna add in 4 here and 4 here. Now your freedom is all that I know. Now your freedom is all that I know. And then 4 more beats. So, oh man, yeah, that's right. And the chorus. Out of the darkness into your glorious day. You called my name and I ran out of that grave. 4, 1. Out of the darkness into your glorious day. Okay, so I've done a lot of videos on this song on the YouTube channel. Check those out. This is the easiest version of this song I'm doing for the songbook. And I Needed Rescue. This gets kind of crazy. So you can watch some of my other videos where I've broken this way down. But it will go like this. I needed rescue. My sin was heavy. The chains break at the weight of your glory. I needed shelter. I was an orphan. You call me a citizen of heaven. Now I was broken. You were my healing. Now your love is the air that I'm breathing. I have a future. My eyes are open. 'Cause when you call my name, I ran out of that grave. So that that was really the easiest way. Follow along, count that along. I'll do it one more time slow. We've done all the other parts. The I Needed Rescue is pretty simple. I needed shelter, I was an orphan. Now I Was Broken is when it gets kind of hard. So it goes, now I was broken, you were my healing. Now your love is the air that I breathe. E minor, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D. Cause when you call my C, 2, 3, 4, I ran out of that grave. So I think you guys got that now. The whole song, very easy strummed down version on the guitar. Like I said, if you'd like to, you can get the charts online. You can get the songbook on Amazon. Songbook, I keep pointing it the wrong way. Songbook on Amazon, get the charts online, and become a member or a ministry partner. You can become a ministry partner now at worshiptheking.com/partner. God bless you guys. Thank you for visiting. Check out more of the songs and charts on the channel.